diary. This is my first of what I hope to be many entries. Jason told me that writing about your problems, or what he calls bugaboos, can make me feel better if something's getting me down. Well, I'm not sure if anything in particular is bothering me now, except for, well, no one seems to be following the rules out there in the world. For example, when I was in Jason's studio the other day recording, I could not believe that he put a gum wrapper in a perfectly clean garbage can and left it there. I was trying so hard not to focus on it, and I was trying to help Broom because he was feeling uncomfortable while we were recording, but I could not stop looking over at the waste paper basket, knowing that wrapper was inside. Why couldn't he just put it outside where it belongs, in the dumpster? And you can guess who took care of that offending wrapper before I left? It was me! But why couldn't Jason have done that like everybody else is supposed to? Everyone knows that garbage is meant for the dumpster, not the garbage pail inside the house. Well, anyways, then I was in the kitchen of my Victorian mansion the other day when the phone rang. I patiently waited by the phone for the fourth ring, as I always do, and the phone stopped at 3. The person on the other end hung up before it was possible for me to answer it on the fourth ring. All my friends know I don't pick up the phone till the fourth ring. Oh well, it was probably just a telemarketer. But the last straw was today. I was sweeping the lawn when all of a sudden a bird flew over my head, landed on my picket fence, and put a poo-poo on it. Have they no shame? I just painted that fence for the second time this year after the werewolf peed on it. What is it, a toilet? Sheesh! Boy, Jason was kinda right. Writing does feel good. Okay, see you next time.